Brooklyn Nine-Nine Season 6 has just had its premiere in the United States on NBC, but can you watch it on Netflix? Well, you might do a quick search. You might get different results depending on where you're at. Here you can see in my location in Hungary, I have 4 seasons available, which means that I'm far away from the 5th season and even the 6th season. So my answer to your question is, I've been looking around. You cannot currently stream Brooklyn Nine-Nine Season 6 on Netflix anywhere. So either you wait, it might take a half a year, it might take a year, or you do like this. You visit the NBC website, NBC.com. Here you can go for shows and you can look for Brooklyn Nine-Nine. And when you're here, you can watch the premiere of the 6th season already. The only problem is, and what you will see now, that it isn't available since I'm not in the United States. But what can you do about this? You can use Privacy VPN. I have it here. And here you can choose different things, but you can find the server in the United States. Just pick one and I connect. And what will happen now is that I get an American IP address, which will help me unblock NBC, which means that the NBC website will believe that I am located in the United States. So now I'm connected, and what I will do is that I will restart this website, reload it, and now you will see I will get to see the commercial first, and it will work now. So now I can watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine Season 6 online. This is just a commercial before it's starting. And also with Privacy VPN, I can now watch Hulu, I can watch American Netflix. So if I restart this now, I will no longer see my home region, but I will see the content available on American Netflix. So you can use Privacy VPN to watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine Season 6, at least while we're waiting for it to come to Netflix. This might be an option that will work for you. So I hope you will enjoy it. If you have a comment or a question, just ask it. Thank you for watching.